Today we're taking a look at the ScanLogic series by SecuRam Systems. It's a biometric safe lock. It has a unique feature in that it can be opened either with a fingerprint, by placing your finger on the fingerprint reader here, or by a code. We have currently enrolled fingerprints in this lock, and what I'm going to do is show you in this video how to set a code for a particular user or fingerprint. So how I do that is I open the lock using the administrative fingerprint. This is the fingerprint that I've enrolled as the administrator and the manager. And now what I can do is I can use the up and down buttons in order to go to the menu selection that says Enable User Code and press OK. Now it'll ask me who do I want to enable a user code for. I have a couple of users installed here, or one user, user number 3, so I press OK. And now it says user code 3 is enabled. So what I can do now is I can ask user number 3 or fingerprint number 3 to open the lock, and he'll have the opportunity to set his own code. So this is the fingerprint for user number 3. He opens the lock, and now he can press the up or down button to set or change code. And this option wouldn't have been available for him previously. But since it's enabled, he is able to do that. So it's asking me to set the code of user number 3. And I'll do 34509678812. It has to be a 10-digit code. Ask me to repeat 34590678812. Code 3 is now saved, and now user number 3 can open his lock using either his fingerprint or his code. How he opens the lock with a code now is he tells it I want to open with a code, so he presses the button marked code, which is this button. And now it says enter code. So I'll enter 34590678812. It identifies me as user 3 and opens the lock. That's how simple it is to open the ScanLogic series with a code. Now, one important thing to note here is you have the ability to enroll 30 fingerprints and 30 codes. You have the choice as to whether or not you set codes for each of those 30 fingerprints or not. You also have the ability here to set security level number 1, 2, or 3. Security level number 1 is really code only. So we'd eliminate the use of the scanner and you would just be using a code. Security level number 2 is code and fingerprint required, where you'd have to put your fingerprint on and then enter your code as a kind of a dual authentication to gain access to the safe lock. And then security level 3 is how it comes to you default, which is the fingerprint is operable or the code is operable depending on what you want to do. So it's either or. So that's the ScanLogic audit, enabling a code and then setting a code for a particular user.